In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Steam not allowing you to purchase games. This can be a common problem that many users face, and knowing how to resolve it quickly can save you quite a bit of time and frustration. So let's dive right into the steps that can help get you back to gaming in no time. First, you need to open the Task Manager on your computer. Task Manager is a handy tool that allows you to view and manage all the active processes running on your computer, including applications that might be causing issues by still running in the background. You can easily open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift and ESC on your keyboard at the same time. Once you're in Task Manager, you'll want to look for Steam in the list of processes. When you find it, simply right click on it, which will bring up a menu of options. From there, select End Task. By doing this, you're ensuring that you're closing any hidden or stubborn processes that might still be running after you thought you closed the application. Now that you've ended the task, make sure to completely exit Steam. This might involve going to your system tray, where the Steam icon might still be present, right-clicking on it, and selecting Exit. Closing Steam this way makes sure the application is fully shut down before you restart it. Next, go ahead and reopen Steam and log back in with your account credentials. Sometimes these kinds of glitches are fixed with a simple restart and login, which refreshes your account's connection with the Steam servers. After successfully logging back in, click on your profile name, which is usually located at the top right corner of the Steam window. This will open a drop-down menu where you should choose Account Details. Here, look for the option that says Add a payment method to this account. It's crucial to check your payment method, ensuring all the details are correct and that the method is still valid. Update it if necessary, as outdated payment information can prevent purchases. After verifying your payment details, check your internet connection. Ensure you're on a stable network to avoid any interruptions during the purchase process. If you're using a VPN, consider turning it off, as some VPNs can cause issues with processing payments. Lastly, if none of these steps resolve the problem, it's best to contact Steam support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and troubleshooting methods tailored to your account situation. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most common issues with Steam not allowing game purchases. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.